Hi, I'm Jeremiah Hunley from SparkPilates.com. This is the body weight suspension training series. We're doing the mobility work. This is the hip hinge wide stance. Now, to begin, you want to make sure that your handles are about knee height. Grasp both handles in your hands. Walk away from the anchor till you have adequate tension. You begin with having your handles about the same height as your hips. And as you come down, you sink your hips down and really get a nice stretch in that lower back, keeping your legs straight. Let the straps keep a nice tension. They should be about the same height as your hips, maybe a little bit lower, depending on your flexibility. And coming back up, using your abs to pull you up, not your back. Let's do that again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And using your abs to roll up. And do that one more time. And as you inhale, exhale to roll down, hinging from your hips. Keeping the back as flat as you can. If you want to, you can sink into it like that, but you make sure that you have enough distance between you and the straps. I'm doing this so I can get a little bit more torque to pull up on my shoulders as I'm stretching. Get a nice stretch in both my shoulders and my hamstrings. And of course you'll feel it in your lower back as well. And engage to come up. And that's the wide stance torso stretch. I'm Jeremiah Hunley. The wide stance hinge torso stretch. Okay. I'm Jeremiah Hunley. This is SparkPilates.com.